The 36-year-old programmer owns the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in India. Leveraging a wave of retail traders, the 36-year-old programmer created India's biggest cryptocurrency exchange with hundreds of thousands of consumers. According to CNBC, in just the first half of 2021, 36-year-old Nischal Shetty's crypto enterprise has grown 12 occasions. His startup grew to become India's biggest cryptocurrency exchange. Now, Mr. Shetty is aiming to make WazirX the country's first crypto unicorn, startup valued at above $1 billion, in the nation of 1/4 billion men and women. There is always a reason for people to get into the crypto world, he informed CNBC. Mr. Shetty is the founder and CEO of WazirX, a cryptocurrency platform that will allow consumers to acquire, promote and trade preferred cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin and XRP. Founded in 2018 with co-founders Samir Matre and Siddharth Menon, his corporation Shetty capitalized on a wave of retail traders. Take benefit of the wave. Less than 2 years soon after its launch, the corporation was acquired by Binance, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the planet. In April 2020, WazirX's cryptocurrency token, WRX, reached a multi-billion-dollar valuation. Before WazirX was born, the trio of founders commenced a social media enterprise. My first startup job was managing social media, mentioned Mr. Shetty. The concept named Crowdfire was profitable. However, it was not prolonged ahead of the social media giants' limited APIs, application programming interfaces, creating it tough for third get-together developers to establish connected companies. Brother Shetty and the founders had been forced to adjust. We've cut back on some of the lucrative features, he mentioned. That leads us to the decentralized ecosystem, mentioned Shetty, referring to blockchain, a distributed database that is not managed by anyone get together. By 2018, the trio made a decision to use their technological knowledge to make a blockchain-based mostly platform for cryptocurrency transactions. I realized that international exchanges operate in a very different way from those in India. Therefore, we decided to build an exchange that focuses on the Indian ecosystem, he shared. But just weeks soon after WazirX launched, the Reserve Bank of India issued a ban on cryptocurrency payment transactions. The corporation was forced to adjust, acting as a third get-together managing consumers and sellers. In November 2019, Binance, the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange, acquired WazirX. At the second, WazirX says the amount of consumers quadrupled in the second quarter of 2021 to 65 million. In June alone, the trading volume reached $62 billion US. More users registered in the last 4 or 5 months than in the previous 3 years, mentioned Mr. Shetty. Legal challenge. The cryptocurrency marketplace has skyrocketed considering that the starting of 2021. The complete marketplace capitalization reached $2.5 trillion in May. The amount at the second is $1.460 billion, in accordance to CoinMarketCap. The maximize this year has largely come from demand from massive retail and institutional traders. The trading platforms have launched applications that are extremely convenient and efficient, commented Ganesh Vasudevan, research director at IDC Financial Insights. However, the cryptocurrency market is dealing with expanding strain globally. Authorities are concerned that cryptocurrencies could facilitate criminal conduct and tax evasion. Back in June, Binance holders of WazirX had been banned from conducting regulated actions in the United Kingdom. For its portion, WazirX is also entangled in a controversy between Indian authorities. Part of the motive is the adverse environmental influence of cryptocurrency mining. Estimates indicate that Bitcoin mining alone consumes above 60 terawatt-hours per year, which is far more than electrical power consumption in numerous nations like Switzerland and Singapore. However, Mr. Shetty insists the market has the possible to empower men and women in nations like India. In June, WazirX grew to become South Asia's first exchange of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and in hard work to aid creators across India trade digital assets like artwork and music. If you look at the history of India, one of the biggest drivers of rapid economic growth is software. Cryptocurrency is now an extension of that entire software ecosystem, argued Mr. Shetty. Therefore, we can understand that India cannot miss this opportunity, emphasized the WazirX founder. Our mission is to make crypto accessible to every Indian. I believe the country has the potential to attract 100 million participants. Our journey has only just begun, he extra. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon as well.